Welcome to the tutorial series for Lumbermixalot. Lumbermixalot is a plugin for Blender 2.8 that will help you to get characters and animations available at Mixamo.com. Mixamo.com has lots of characters and even many more animations you can use for your game project. In particularly, we're going to learn how to take all of those characters and animations and bring them into the Lumberyard Game Engine and learn how to use them with the Emotion Effects Animation Editor. Without further ado, let me give you a taste of what we're going to accomplish with this tutorial series.